Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is what is today? So today I'm going in the woods by myself, part 2. I could be murdered, I could be raped, I could find some clowns, but yeah. Look at that. That was weird. Alright. Oh, that bird. What the fuck? What the fuck was... What the fuck? What the... What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Holy shit, guys, what the fuck is that noise? Is it going after me? What the fuck? Guys, I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know if that's a human. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Guys, what the fuck? Guys, is that a murderer? Someone getting raped or murdered? What the fuck? I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. What the fuck? I hope he's not chasing me. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Hello? Guys, I don't know what that is. Should I say hello again? Hello? What the fuck? What the fuck? That's it. I'm out. That's it. I'm out. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Where the fuck am I going? Oh god. Holy shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? Guys, I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm hearing something from over here too. Alright, you know what? I'm going back. Guys, I don't know what those sounds were. Oh my god, I really hope it's not like a murderer. Guys, to be honest, I'm really scared right now. Like, what the fuck was that noise? That could be like a killer or something, like a maniac or something. Or Trump. Or what the fuck? Like, I'm genuinely scared right now. What the fuck? Hello? Should I go back? Hello? What the fuck? Guys, I don't know what... I don't see anyone. I don't see... Hello? Oh fuck, there's someone there. What the fuck? Guys, what the fuck was that? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the What the What the fuck? Guys, it's fucking following me. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh fuck. What the fuck? Guys, I see someone following me. What the Guys, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the Oh, where the fuck am I going? Where the fuck am I going? What the fuck? Is that one of those clowns? I see a car right there. What the f... Hello? Hello? What the fuck, guys? That is someone's fucking house right there. I can't go anywhere else. I can go here. Oh my fuck. I think there's just grass right there. Shit, guys, I'm fucking trapped. Guys, I don't know what... I mean, I saw someone there, but like... I'm trying to be real quiet. I'm trying to be real quiet. I'm trying to be real fucking quiet. I'm really fucking scared right now. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Like, I don't... It stopped. I don't know if it's human or fucking like alien or ghost or whatever, but I think it stopped. don't see anyone. Oh my god, I saw that. I thought that was a fucking body right there, but it was just a log. Alright guys, I'm gonna be really quiet. I'm not gonna say hello like a dumbass. I'm just gonna walk. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so fucking scared. Guys, I'm so fucking scared right now, like someone's gonna jump out. Guys, I'm so fucking scared right now. Am I even going the right way? I want to say hello because I want to know where he is. Hello? I'm gonna go. I don't care what it is. I'm just gonna book it if I hear someone or see someone. I don't hear or see anyone. Guys, what? Guys, what? I know he could have gone somewhere, but like, I swear I just heard him say my name. I swear I fucking heard someone say my name. I don't know what the... I cannot tell what the fuck he said. Guys, I'm so fucking... Alright, what the fuck was... Like, I don't hear anything anymore. I heard something over here. I know I did. What the fuck? I swear I heard... What the fuck? Was that fucking... What? Guys, I honestly don't know what the fuck is going on. Alright guys, anyways, that was really weird, but, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new, and see you all later. I don't know what the fuck that was.